What's up guys, I got a package that just came in. I'm excited about it. Let's get into it. Oh boy, let's see what we got here. He got some peanuts. Okay, never did. I think I was supposed to open this the other way around. Alright though. Ooh. Got a little wideband controller there. Okay, this is gonna be for my wiring, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, be for my wiring. Oh, oh, oh. Oh yeah. Look at this, guys. I got a new harness. Oh, that's gonna be sweet. Some sensors, coolant, knock, air. Got that. What else is in here? Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh boy. I know you guys like that name. Exciting stuff here. I'm excited about this. Should be the last thing here. That box is big. I don't know. There's still stuff in here. Oh, what is this? Oh. Is this what I think it is? I'm not sure what that is yet. I think that is it. That's in the box. Let's get to some of this stuff here. Got a couple things here. These are just sensors as well. Maybe I'll go over my harness another time, but let's see. This is the wideband kit. Ooh. So that's the wideband kit with the new sensor, wideband controller. Back in there. Put that to the side. Let me see. Yeah, it should be pretty good. Nice. These are both brand new. Dum dum dum. Got Haltech Elite 1500. So yep, I'm gonna be upgrading my ECU. have a really old Haltech E6K. So finally upgrading to new technology. This is going to be awesome. The plans are to go water meth, so I might be upping the boost as well. Gonna be doing a couple things to the car in the next few weeks, so I'm gonna get excited for that. But we got some cables here and a flash drive in here. Oh yeah, USB cable and a flash drive, some stickers in the bottom. That is awesome. And then I'm really excited about this one. This is gonna be sweet. Let's check this one out. Welcome to the Haltech family. Little message there. Ooh, you guys know. Jeez, this thing is so much bigger in person. Holy crap. Oh yeah, the beautiful IC7. Put that to the side. I don't know if there's anything else in here. Doesn't look like it. Maybe in these little boxes there might be some stuff. But yeah, looks like there's some stuff in here. Not sure what's in there. Looks like there's some stuff in here, but yeah, I can't get over this. Oh my gosh. This thing is sick. So yeah guys, I'll be going with a digital dash. New Haltech ECU. Got the sensors, all the sensors ready to go. This is gonna be good.